Each token pump it like crazy. So what's going on now with this token? First of all, guys, highly recommend you go and check the first video what I posted after listing for this token, because we use the indentation accumulation pump model. We bounce it perfectly from the 23 by FIB. Not from my zone of interest, of course, but it's okay because we can't buy every single token just randomly. I follow always only my zone of interest, because a lot of tokens dump it even to the best zone to buy, but some tokens not drop to that zone to buy, like H, for example, this one. But we stop it on the Donald Trump dump. We stop it exactly at 23. But if you take a look till penny, we test it. Nice one. We close fully there. Not a full fill now here, but we close the daily gap. Done. So my zone of interest was here. So this is it. And of course, by the way, we dump it to test the first zone of interest. Yes, here we tested on after 3 days, even 2 days after listing, we dump it to the OK zone to buy. So congrats if you get a chance to hop in here up to your own risk. Many tokens, by the way, dump it even to the best zone to buy, to this one. And after that, we go to new high, right? To 11 cents, land it back to 23, hold the line, bounce it again, and on the Donald dump, we tested a buy line on a daily and the tested 23. It's kind of interesting why the market makers decide to stop exactly at this level, but anyway, we got what we got. So congrats everybody who took own risk, and buy at the buy line on the daily time frame. But now it's definitely, guys, too overbought. On the weekly time frame, it's too overbought. So just in case, of course, the bounce from 2 cents to 40 to almost to 40 cents is the crazy gains. It's insane rally for the alts while the other tokens is dying. So 1,000 to 300% gains, it's amazing. So think about it. Is it okay to buy now or not? So guys, unfortunately or fortunately, everything should be in time, right? So it was a great time to take a risk. Based on take profit indicator here with the test the buy line. And even on the 12 time frame, we drop it to 23 by FIB, test the buy line and almost fundamental value. So now it's too overhyped. The buy line now, it's 6 cents on 12 time frame. Daily time frame, the buy line is 4 cents. It's not unnecessary, so we will drop to that zones. But just in case, guys, let's work now with indicators, because this FIB basically done. If we will come back in the next bear market to the bottom, we'll turn on again this FIB to identify the levels and zone of interest. So now, definitely, guys, this is not a crazy bullish, right, to buy. It's crazy bullish for all of these guys who accumulated in that zone. So congrats if you took a risk. I skipped this token. Do I regret? Of course not. There's a million tokens to buy, and we can't know which token will pump or which token will dump, So just in case, guys, this zone, by the way, it's like 12 cents and 7 cents. It can be the zone for correction for the next week, for example, if we see the correction, because this is a weekly gap. So just in case, guys, be careful, But at the same time, if we'll see the continuation, guys, it can be the 3 drives pattern. 1, 2, and it can be, I don't know, like maybe 55, maybe 60 cents, and after that drop. So just be careful, because you can open the chart, for example, injective. You can open the chart of FAT. Some tokens perform it against the market, contra trend, and after that, they landed back to the home, right? Even everybody screamed, we're going to the moon. So just be careful with correction. For potential correction, it's more than okay. Let's double check other indicators, ADZ direction. Fun, but take a look. We pump it 1,300%. It's still not crazy top on the daily. Interesting. Weekly time frame. Also, we're just in the middle, just see some data on ADZ. So yes, this token got a potential, still got a potential, but based on risk ratio, maybe it's not the best option to buy now. Direction, we over the middle line, but without any signals to sell. That's why, guys, my take is would be good to see the correction, but I'm skip this token. If the token pump 1,300% gains, already pump it. For me, it's no make sense to invest in this risky asset for next like 200% gains and with potential risk like 50% drop on the spot. So I don't want to freeze my money on the spot anymore, right? That's why I speculate the tokens. I'm not a fan of H token and even some other tokens pump it like this one. Don't fall in FOMO, you know, because the people trap it. Oh, this token is showing the green uptrend move, right? And even if we continue higher, right? Even if we continue to the, let's say, $1. So I don't want to take a risk for potential 186% gains and maybe we're gonna drop 50%, like 52% on the spot. So you invest 10K and we got a chance to get 10K profit, potential profit, you know, or 15K potential profit, or drop 52% dump, right? And after that, when we drop 52%, you need to wait the 100 to 20% up to recover back at the break even. So this is how the percentage works. So if we dump 50%, so you invest like 10K, you drop 5K down, right? But to recover back at the break even, the token should pump not a 50% back, we should pump 100. So that's a deal. That's a different, and it's kind of hard. So I'm skipping this, but it's just my personal opinion, guys. The zone of interest was here. It was so logical to take a risk at the buy line. Direction, no signal to sell or buy yet. So just in case, highly recommend you go and check the first video about this token to understand the logic of the levels of initiation accumulation pump model. This is too overhyped. Daily time frame too overhyped. This was a time of capitulation. This one, white, gray color. Now it's a too overhyped. A weekly time frame, the same story. 12 time frame, the same story. So just in case. Money power, money outflow. So this is not a crazy accumulation zone. Here was a crazy accumulation zone here. Yes, I'm not tracking this token. That's why maybe it was my mistake, you know, but it's impossible to track all of this tokens. So congrats everybody who watched the first video, right? Here was a time to accumulate this token. Weird. We're at the top in the money power indicator, but without any money outflow yet. That's why, yes, we can see the continuation. And the last indicator, trade on, guys. A weekly, no data, daily. Sell, drop, now no new signal to sell yet. So just be ready, because yes, we can see the drop again to close the 50% of the previous day, right? By end of this week. And see the top of the top on the next week and the deeper correction. So just be careful, guys. 12 time frame, also no signal to sell. 4 hour time frame, also no signal to sell. So everything okay. Still okay, but personally for me, it's not a good time to hop in. Correction zones I showed you. Once again, watch the first video for this token. Guys, if you like to trade with my customer, because I would show in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time.